Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's move up to the third from the right button. Here we can manage our aspect ratio. As you can see, we are in 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is also available with 64 megapixels, the highest resolution at this camera. And we can also move to 9 and 16, so the background has changed now to the longer one. Another tab and we can move to 1 and 1, so this is the square one. And here also we can pick full one, so for now we have full camera frame. And of course you can move to whatever you need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.